Hey everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day. It's Mark Wiens. I'm in Colombo, Sri Lanka, and today for lunch, my friend Ruzaina from the Minority Taste, her aunt has invited us over to her house to prepare to cook a very unique, their own family recipe, her aunt's recipe, and it's like a once-in-a-lifetime dish to try, and so I'm very excited. I'm about to go over to her house, and she's gonna assemble the entire dish, and we're gonna have lunch. What is the name of the dish?
Kattishore.
Kattishore.
Yeah.
Kattishore.
Kettishore.
Kettishore. Kettishore.
Yeah.
For your family is important during pregnancy?
Yes.
And is that just tradition, or is there like...
I make and send them also.
That's
awesome.
when I first ate it. Actually, I was expecting, and then I came here and she was having like a kandiri. You had a kandiri.
No, somebody, my dada's anniversary.
Yes.
Because he loves this menu, no? So I want to make the menu that day.
Yeah.
So then you came.
Yeah. And I
Awesome.
had it, and everything changed. Everything changed. Like,
It was a life...
yeah, it was a
It's a life-changing dish.
experience.
It's a life-changing dish. I can already tell that.
That's what inspired me to do everything, and you guys
Oh,
are here.
cool.
Now everything.
It's an honor to be here to experience this dish.
First I'll serve the rice on it.
So it's always served in a basket.
Is the rice cooked with anything, or
No, just
plain coconut? Okay.
plain. No,
Plain
not
rice.
with coconut, just plain rice.
Okay, so it starts off with a base of rice, and that's a pretty good-sized platter. She's just scooping on the rice like a thick layer at the bottom. But it's such a special dish. It's such an honor to be here to experience this dish. All right. Next step.
Sabira, this is the coconut sambar.
Okay.
First you have to spread the sambar.
So it's shredded coconut,
Yeah.
and then some spices in there.
Yeah. Red onion.
Okay.
Green chilies. Little moldy fish. Tamarind and lime juice.
And
you
lime
keep in
juice.
the fire and you just stir little.
Okay, so it's cooked
Yeah,
a little
it's
bit.
cooked.
Okay.
It's cooked.
You can smell the aroma of it, and she's putting on an entire layer over that rice. It's already beautiful. What's next?
This is the potato.
Potato.
Just plain cooked
Oh, okay.
with coconut milk. We just pour a little of the gravy also. Otherwise the rice will be too dry. This is the brinjal curry. Then this is the prawn curry.
For me, if people are broad-minded enough to see it without segregating it into a culture, for me personally it represents Sri Lanka on a platter, because it starts with the banana leaf and the basket, the woven basket, right? Then it's the rice, the Sri Lankan rice, which is the prosperous grain of this country. Then it's the coconut, which we have abundant of. Then we have the brinjals. Then you get the capsicum, which is the heat, and the chili that represents again the green and the lusciousness of our country. Then the seafood, like there's fish, there's like prawns, there's made in different ways. There's a pepper dry fish which comes from the southern side. Then there's a chili fish curry, which is like central province. And there's prawns, and I don't know, for me it represents Sri Lanka on a platter.
Well said.
With the fork, you just do like that. Then the gravy goes in.
That is a pro tip.
Yeah.
You have to have every single component of this dish to make it the dish, right? You cannot miss one dish. You cannot miss one ingredient. It's all like the layering, the like piling is what it's beautiful.
And this is the fish curry.
The fish curry next. Wow, it's just becoming
The
more and more
chili
impressive with
fish
every
curry.
spoon.
We
Chili
call
fish
it,
curry?
Chili fish curry.
Ah, okay.
It's cooked with tamarind, pepper. I'll write down the recipe, how much I can know, very difficult.
And then what type of fish is it?
This is sear fish.
Sear fish, okay. King mackerel, I believe.
Yeah. This is tuna.
Tuna, okay. And then cooked in spices as well.
This is kingfish and this is tuna.
All right, she just added on the layer of tuna, and now for the prawns.
This time I couldn't get the big prawns, so not available. Otherwise you can get the tiger big prawns. Okay, that's it. Now you can enjoy your lunch.
Wow. It's everything you could possibly want on a single tray.
She's the greatest, trust
Thank you,
me.
Auntie.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is what inspired me to start everything, so really.
Wow. You get all the layers?
Yes. Now Ruzaina knows to make the pasticho. I
don't have the recipes as yet.
I'll get you the recipe when we go right now.
Yes, I know.
Okay.
My gosh. Something miraculous happened today. I'm gonna get it.
Some of everything.
Yeah.
What's already just outstanding before I've even tasted it is how each dish is makes up the entire platter, and every dish is important, equally important. Every dish is different, but it's all like layered. So then you've got everything. This is like the multi layers of just everything you could possibly want.
You have to mix
everything together.
Yeah.
Mix everything together
Yeah.
before biting. Okay, everything like stirred up. Oh, you can feel the sauces just mingling in your fingers. The coconut, you feel the shredded coconut. You feel the mushiness of the eggplant, the chili in there, the seafood.
You will get lobsters also, no?
Yes, sometimes.
You can fry a lobster and keep it the same.
Oh, you could. Wow, the lobster version. That would be incredible. Oh wow. Wow. That is unbelievably good. What's amazing immediately you can taste are the like caramelized onions. And then the coconut is so vibrant in there. You taste like the spices, but everything like blended perfectly in harmony. Oh wow. Oh, that's stunning. And that's only my first bite, but it's like my mouth is already just layered and caked in flavor. It's so good. Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes. They don't have to cook. My two daughters doesn't know how.
Okay, I'll go in for some break into some of that fish this time, next bite. Again, just mingle. It's like an amalgamation of everything. Oh, and just like squish into the fish. Oh wow, the fish in that bite. Yeah, and you can taste like the sourness of the tamarind, like the salty umami flavors just they're popping. This is a highlight dish right here. Okay, and then the other fish, this is the
Chili fish.
that one is the sear fish.
Yeah,
that one is the sear
sear
fish, right?
sear one.
Okay.
Cooked with chili.
The sear fish cooked with chili. I'm gonna brindleberry in that tuna curry, baked tuna. It's brindleberry acidic. Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, next for the next fish. Every bite is like a harmony of flavors. Yet everybody's kind of different because you get a different meat with every bite. And then also you can just like break everything. You break into that chili. You break in more onions. The coconut is also what really stands out because there's such a thick layer of coconut. So every bite is filled with the shredded coconut sambal. And for the prawns, you can eat the entire shell and all. Flavor keeps on coming, and you've got that crunch from the shell. Yeah. Wow. So there's prawn in here. Oh, there's a lot of like
shrimp in here.
Are those shallots?
Yeah, shallots, shrimp.
A lot of shallots.
Capsicum. So
And that is
for
like
me, this is the secret.
That is the ultimate flavorful sauce.
Yeah, what binds it
I'm
together.
gonna re-sauce. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, you can just see it's like full of shallots and onions, and how it's cut is even very important to the flavor. I'm gonna
Spicy.
just mix into that. Oh yeah. The coconut milk in there It's like, it's so creamy because it's been just like condensed down. Like, then the onions and the shallots just kind of disintegrate in your mouth, but have so much flavor. The only thing I can do right now is lean back in my chair. I think that was a 100% success. We did very well. You can see the bottom of the banana leaf. That was just incredibly, incredibly delicious. Oh yeah, this is one of those meals where you really don't want to get out of your chair after you finish eating. It's just, the satisfaction is on the next level. All right, just made it back. That was an incredible meal. The food, the flavors, the layers, everything combined together. And it's such a like, everything has to be prepared exactly correctly. And Auntie Imti, she knows exactly the order, exactly every single dish made to perfection and then combined together into one. It really is an all-in-one Sri Lankan platter that represents all things good on a single banana leaf. It was also just a huge honor to be able to experience that meal. You can't go to a restaurant and have that meal. That's home cooked. That's their own family recipe creation. And so I want to say a massive thank you to Auntie Imti for inviting us to her house, for opening up, for her generosity, for hosting us, for sharing love through her cooking. That was, yeah, that is a memorable meal, a special occasion, and to Ruzaina for arranging it. And I want to say a huge thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed, click subscribe and also click that little bell icon so that you get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye from Colombo. See you on the next video.